Hi guys, join us today as we transform this pool deck. When we arrived, the surface was in really bad shape, full of cracks, holes, and concrete worn down by time and humidity. It was a space that had lost its life and safety. Day one was all about preparation, which is the foundation of our system. We used industrial machinery to grind the surface, correct imperfections, and repair every hole and every crack. On the second day, the real transformation began. We applied a high-performance industrial base coat, then covered the entire surface with custom flakes in Tidal Wave, a modern and refreshing color perfect for a pool area. After letting it dry for 2 hours, we applied our Polyaspartic topcoat. Clear, UV-resistant, waterproof, and built to handle daily use. The result was a completely renewed pool deck. Shiny, elegant, and durable. A space brought back to life, ready to be enjoyed for many years. Enjoy the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformations like this.
The horizon pulls me closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me. Where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain. The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Skies will break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless seas. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Oh, come drift with me. Come drift with